Hello everyone, welcome to the webinar of the Dahua Partner application. I'm Gábor Kalvak from Dahua Hungary team. Today I would like to share some information and introduce some useful features regarding our partner application. But right at the beginning I would share the information that this is a live webinar, so if you have any question feel free to ask us in the chat section. And here is the place where I'm just waiting for some comments from you if the stream and the voice is good or not. So I'm just waiting for some moments, and please just reply that if the stream and the voice are correct or not. Okay, thank you for your feedback. So let's continue. Also, there is a kindly note that you can see a specific QR code on this page for today's event. If you're an experienced user of Dahua Partner app, you know what you have to do. You have to scan it and you can click to check in, and you can earn some extra points. And if you haven't started using the app, by the end of this webinar you will know exactly what you have to do, and don't worry, of course, at the end of the webinar I will just show this QR code later again. And furthermore, I would like to share the information that during this webinar I will ask some super easy questions. If you know the right answer, just type it also into the chat section and as soon as possible, because based on the results you can win some good prizes. And what else for tomorrow? For today event, yeah, of course. What else? Then some extra points for your account. Let's start. Before I get into the features of the Dahua Partner application, I would show you how our application ecosystem just looks like. I hope all of you know that we are using the DMSS application as an end-user interface. Additionally, our installers and system integrators use the Dueling Care app for system service and maintenance. And next to it, we also have a designer tool in our hand to create precise system plans. But the highlight of the day is the partner application, which is an all-in-one application which supports you from many different ways. And one thing you need to know: if you register one of our applications which is created for system integrators or installers, you will have a UniPortal account. That means you can use the same account name and password to log in into Dueling Care, the DH Partner, and the DH Tool Designer also. Partner App is a handy all-in-one management platform. Seems like a loyalty program platform, and that's kind of true, but it's more than just you think. You can manage pre-sales and after-sales activity in this. Take exams, obtain certificates, download marketing materials, get the latest news, or you can create your own contents to share it into the community module. And additionally, you can earn points, participate in promotions, and redeem gifts. So it's really useful application from many different ways. But I would like to emphasize that Dahua Partner App is a global platform, but the contents and rules are different country by country. And this is a very important thing. So I will share many information with you today, but if you cannot find something in your application, contact your local sales representative to check if it's available or not in your country. So be prepared that it is very important. Global platform with local rules. But I would like to say it many times during this presentation. And the most important question: where you can download the application? You can find in App Store and Google Play very easily if you are searching for DH Partner, because this is the name of the application, DH Partner. Or you can just scan this QR code, what you can see here, and you can find it easily on the web. Partner app is mainly designed for the system integrators and installers, I have to say it. Therefore, it is highly recommended to register into the app if you are one of them. You can register as installer or system integrator if you are a member of a company who are working in the security market. And this registration will just consist of three steps. First, you need to define which type fits your company. You can see that there are installers, system integrators. Next to it, of course, there are distributors and resellers in the partner application. They have dedicated spaces. And end users also can join, but with some limited sources. So if you are just one of the security company, you can easily sign up to the application. You have to type your company details in the application, and the third step is your personal information. After you are just submit your sign-up process, you have to wait Dahua to approve your registration. And this is an important thing, Dahua have to approve it. Approval process is not an automatic process. All registration requests are manually managed by Dahua local offices, and it can take days. So please note, within one company, all the employees can register account and collect points for themselves. So you can type your company details and personal information, and everybody can have one account. And how the homepage looks like, just a brief introduction to highlight some areas. On the top, you can find a question and answer field where you can have some frequently asked questions, or you can chat with the support center easily. We have toolkits integrated in this application, what you can use many times. We have the points mall. If you are just collecting many points, you can have some really good gifts. And this is different country by country, so I will not show anything here. SMB scenario is also very important, mostly for us and you as well. We will deeply talk about it later. And there is a very good feature, the scanning feature, on the bottom of the home page. You can see that I just listened that you can scan, you can earn points, you can extend the warranty, and check in on the events. So there is multiple functions you can use only with this one button, but later, of course, I will share many information about it. On the top of the homepage, there are some banners about the upcoming promotions, about the newly released devices, or some highlighted informations. And you can earn points by adding your projects also. We will talk about it later. And of course, this is only a home page, so you can see there are some quick menu, but with more functions you can have some more menus. And on the bottom of the field there is a discover page. You can see the with mine picture, and you can see in the discover page we have the video, the solutions, the handouts, and there are many additionally functions also. And we have a chatbot also, so you can use the chatbot if you wish. During the presentation I will show many short videos, and I know that the videos are always very fast. So I will say in advance that I will highlight the important things after the videos with different slides. In the Discover page you can scroll between the latest news. You can select the marketing videos and solutions, as I mentioned to you. In the bottom of the home page you can find this Discover page, and you can find this information there. There is a support page also, where you can find useful how-to videos and how-to documents. These documents could be presentations, PDFs, and so on. And in the question answer menu you can easily solve your personal issue with your technical colleagues with a chat. And if you are just going to the Discover page and you are click one of the materials, you can use the solution materials as a picture. So you can zoom, you can save, and forward it to customers or whoever you would like to share this information. So this is an internal knowledge, but you can share it with your customer if you wish. And I mentioned to you that the SMB solution is very important. Also, you can find the thematically SMB solution materials in the SMB menu, what I just highlighted before you on the homepage. I hope most of you know that we determine SMB solutions by application and by scenarios. And in the application, we provide installation guides and videos for these solutions, and we share the suggested device list also. So if there is an entrance and exit solution, you will definitely see what kind of products can we offer for these kind of solutions. And with the suggested models list, you can easily create quotations for your customers. You can see on the pictures on the bottom of the page, you can click the new quotation and you can send some quotations with the existing devices. And if you don't want to use some devices, you can easily delete this device from the list and send a quotation without them. And you can also share your idea in the forums in community module. Connect and share with people in the same industry across your country, because there is a place for that. You can see official, user-created and hot topics. Search for official contents, like, share, or just leave a comment to us. And if you are brave enough, you can create your own contents to publish that. Open a topic to discuss or share your experience or share your references in the application with your local community. And all the contents will be authorized by Dahua, therefore you need to wait for approval if you would publish something. Once it has approved, you will just saw it on the video, you will get a notification about it. And we are just in the first question. I mentioned to you that I will ask some super easy question from you, and if you are fast enough and you are just know the right answer, you can win some extra points. So the first question is the following: who will approve the sign up process? I mentioned to you that you can sign up as a system integrator, as an installer, no matter distributor, reseller or end user. Somebody need to approve this sign up process, because this is not an automatically process. And I see that the right answers are coming. So my colleagues will just give you the feedback. Who is the winner of the first question? And now we can continue. In the Partner app, you can find technical tools to easily calculate the system requirements. You can use, for example, the lens selector to better understand which lens size you need on site. Check the distance, the installation height, and you can know which lens size is needed. Or explore all Dahua products, because Dahua upload all the device details into the Partner app database, and as you are just saw, you can just compare devices. And I mentioned that if there are some important things in these really short videos, I will highlight the information. So, as I mentioned earlier, you can select devices by series, by direct model numbers, and you can find the proper model with the filter as well. So, by the details. And you can view all the specification, and based on that, you can compare the knowledge of the different models, and there is a number that, remember, you can compare up to 4 different models at a time. So you can find many specifications in the application, and you can compare the different types, which is the most usable device for you, you can easily find. And you can find additionally tools in your packet if you are using the Partner application, such as the bandwidth calculator, which is a really common, but I have to say it's very useful since it doesn't calculate just an approximate value. but rather provide you the exact value based on Dahua own compression process. Like if you're just selecting the smart H265, it will just give you exact numbers. Or we discussed the lens selector 2 slides earlier. We can just use it in the application as well. You can have the user storage capacitor calculator, and you can calculate how many free IP addresses you have in which segment. If your IT administrator is just give you the subnet mask size, you can easily get how much IP address you will have. And in the future, there will be additionally more tools and tools in the application. So it's really easy to use these kind of tools. And in the partner app, you can manage your knowledge by yourself. You can check the upcoming trainings and events in the DH Club, and you can easily register for them. You can check and manage your activities. On the events, you can scan the QR codes as well. So I mentioned to you the scanning function have multiple functions. If there is an event, you can scan the QR code. That's why you are just became an attendee, and you can earn some extra points with it. And you can find some online courses in the e-learning platform in the training menu, and learn about how the solution, the new releases of Dahua is just working. And if you are just learned these kind of topics, you can take some exams. And if you are just pass these exams, you can obtain certifications also. So it is really useful function, the DH Club and the training function. But here in the next slide, I will show you how you can just deal with it. So again, with the DH Club, you can find the upcoming offline events or this kind of online webinars as you are just attend now. And you can register by yourself very, very easily. And there is another main menu, and this is very important that I just say that main menu because it is on the home page. This is the training main menu, where you can train yourself online, because you can find some e-learning solution, e-learning materials. And if you are just learn these kind of materials or training sections, you can take some exams. And if you are just passed on the exams, you can obtain certifications, and you can easily become an official certified installer. And you can download your certification from the training menu. So you can see there is a DH Club and there is a training menu. And the exam and the certification is just submenus. You will see why I'm just talking about it. And I have to say that the certifications are in the name of the person who took the exams and not in the name of the company. When you are download your certificates, you can choose to highlight or hide the company name. You can see that under my profile name, there is the company name written with small letters. This is the Dahua Technology Hungary. But if I wish, I can hide it when I'm just downloading this certification. And we are at the second question now. So be very fast because the second question is really easy also. I'll just share it with you now. From which main menu you can download your certificates. And I have to say that the most important thing is the main menu. I mentioned that on the home page you can find some main menus, and there are some sub-menus, and we are looking for the main menu where you can just download your certificates. So if you know the right answer, type it into the chat. Yeah, and as I see, the right answer is just arrived. Congratulations. So we can go. Another section is the benefits in your hand from the sales parts, because we are just on the topic how you can collect points. Scanning of the products is the base of the collecting points, and it can give you additionally benefits as well, but I will talk about it later. But how other ways you can collect points? Become a training attendee by scanning the QR code on the trainings, refer friends with your refer code, or fill out some seasonal questionnaires. And if you earn enough points, you can use them to redeem super gifts. And I have to say that global platform with local rules, so with different local products and gifts. So, okay. As I mentioned to you, scanning is the most useful function in the application. I really encourage all of you to use this simple function, and I will share you how to use it right. But there is something you need to know. If you are just scanning, every time you will have some notes which will displayed. The most important, what we are just always waiting for, is the successful. So if you are just scan a product and you can see that successful, you will have the points and the additional benefits I will share with you later. There's another message that you have already scanned these products or already scanned by another customer. There are two different, so just check which notification you are just received, because sometimes you are just scanning 2 times a device. There is absolutely no problem with it, but you will have this message. Sometimes somebody else is just check the QR code of the device. So in this case, if you have the owner of the device, you are trying to scanning and you have failed, you can ask your local sales representative from Dahua, and you can ask what is the situation. There's another topic. The products scanned are not from your registered country. Means the destination country of this product is different from the user's registration country. I mentioned to you many times, this is a global platform with local rules, and you have to see that if you're registered in one country, you can scan the products and use it if it is just purchased on the same country. So if you are just buying an exported device, you cannot scan it in your region. There is another topic. The product is not included in the incentive program. Means the product is not in this inside the program where you can receive points. You can see that if there is a neutral product or some special series which is not inside this program, it can occur as well. The manufacturing date exceeds our validity period. I would like to share the whole information later with you. This is not a problem, so you will receive the points for your scanning, but there is an extra benefit, the warranty extension. And if it's more than 18 months, years old device, you cannot extend the warranty, but we will talk about it later. And the model number, serial number is not managed of this is not Dahua products. Maybe you are just scanning another QR code or barcode which is not on a Dahua product. This is very important because if you are just scan some other barcode, you can see this message. In this case, you can just hide this code. You can scan the QR code, and maybe you will successfully scan the device, and you can earn the points for it. And how other ways you can get the extra points? If you're a valued Dahua member, your local sales representative can support you in this way. Since in the My Projects menu, you can register your project opportunities and ask project quotation from local sales colleagues. So if you are just have a quotation and you are just winning these projects, in case you win the project and upload the necessary documents, you can receive extra points based on your project results. So it's very useful if you are a project partner to use these kind of functions, because in case of you are winning a project, you can have some extra rebates or points. And you can join some promotions and receive multiple points as well. Do not miss out the promotions. Be always up to date by checking the points promotions in the banner section of the partner app. When a point promotion is ongoing, you can check the actual ranking table in the application. If you're scanning a promotional item, you can receive multiple points, and with you can move up on the ranking table, what you can check in the promotion main menu. And this menu is only available when a promotion is ongoing. So you will every time see if there is a promotion ongoing, you can just join to the promotion and win extra prizes. And one of our biggest promotion is coming in September. No limitation of Dahua devices, but point counts. Why I'm just meaning this? Because most of the times when there are some promotions is just ongoing, we are just define which products are just in this promotion. But now there is a very big open promotion where no any limitation about which kind of Dahua devices you will just scan. But the points are just scanning, are just counts. So you have to scan as many devices as you can, move up on the ranking table and become our Golden Pro. Golden Pro will be chosen from the top rankers of each region, so it is really good if you are just going to this promotion and you are one of the top rankers of this promotion. Next to it, the top rankers will win extra points as well, and pay attention and collect as many points as possible nationwide. So not only you, but it's good for you if most of your colleagues or just your friends are just collecting the points, since the prize pool depends on your nationwide points collection. The more points, bigger the prize, so pay attention for it. And please note that not all the countries have joined this promotion. If you cannot see the promotion invitation in your social media platform, please contact your local sales representative, because he can just give you the information if your country is just joined to this promotion or not. Go ahead. And we are just arrived to the third question, so be prepared. I will ask maybe the most easiest question with you now. When will the Dahua Pro Challenge begin? Who? If you are just checking the chat, my colleagues are just give you the official launch date of this, so you can very easily find the answer. Yeah, and the answers are just coming. And it's a very important date, all of you. The Dahua Pro Challenge is just beginning in the 1st of September. Congratulations for the winner. And we can continue. And extend the warranty period of the products by yourself. I really encourage everybody to use the scan function. I think I just say it third time now. This is the easiest step. You can have multiple functions. First you collect points. You can sign up for events, and next to it, this is a third thing, that you can extend the warranty of your products by yourself. What you have to do, scan the QR and done. So it couldn't be easier, but what does it really mean? You can get extra 6 months on top of the original warranty period, starting from the date of the scanning. So, important thing, not from purchasing time, from the scanning. And there is only a small rule that the warranty can only be extended if the distributor partner purchased the products from Dahua no more than 18 months ago. This is what I just shared with you in the scanning section when we are just checked the messages. But Again, I have to emphasize the Dahua Partner app is global platform, but the rules are different country by country. So let's check if you are just cannot see the extension of the warranty. Let's talk with your local sales representative if it's available or not. Because in the next page I will share you how you can check the warranty time and you can be sure how much was the additionally warranty. So go to the warranty menu. This is the first step. And you can scan the QR code of the device. On the right you can find this logo and you can check by yourself when will this device warranty period expire. And if you scan the device before, you will see additionally 6 months based on your scanning rules. And this is actually means that you get more than 6 months. And that's why I just mentioned before that I will show you how you can use the scanning function right, because I really suggest you to scan the devices on the time when you are just installing the devices. Because if you just purchase the device and store it on your shelf for another 2 months, and you only scan the QR code on the device upon the installation, you will win extra 2 plus 6, so 8 months. So I hope you understand the logic, and if you are just using the scanning function, you are just use it in this way. Because it sounds good, I think. And another good thing can be connected to the warranty. If you check your device and it is under warranty, you can manage your RME directly. What does it mean? You checked, it is under warranty. You can go to RME, to the RME reservation menu, which you can find in the support menu. Check the QR code of the device. It will just automatically fill out the serial number, the device number, the PN number and everything. Write in the issue. Mostly I suggest to write in the issue in your local language and add your delivery address. That address where you would like to get back the devices from RME in case the device is repaired. And this is a very important wait for approval. So if you are just creating a ticket for the RME, they are just receive the ticket and they will just approve it. Maybe they are just doesn't approve, so in this case don't send it to the RME. Wait for approval, and if they are just approved, you can send it directly to your local Dahua service. Of course, it requires that you have local RME service nearby you, and you can check if it's available in the service map menu. So in the support page there is a service map, or no, on the home page you have a service map menu and you can find your RME, local RME service addresses if it's available in your country. But of course, the most important, you can ask your local sales representative, and if he just say that you can use this function, you can easily use it and directly contact with the RME. Yeah, and there is a question from the chat field. Generally, the warranty starts from which date? Yeah, we can say that the warranty is just we are providing a warranty for the distributor partner. If you are just buying the device from the distributor partner, the distributor will offer you warranty period, warranty time, different device by device. This is 2 years, 3 years warranty period maybe. And if you are using the scanning function, you can extend the warranty period, the manufacturer warranty period. From that time you are just scanning. So if you are just receive a device from your distributor and you are just scanning the device, so you are receive the device from a distributor, you will receive 3 years. But after that, if you are just scanning, you can have that warranty period from the scanning time, 3 years plus additionally the 6 months. And how you can use this warranty period or this extended warranty? I have to say that in Hungary, I know the rules. We are just went to the distributors. All the distributors are informed that if somebody is a partner application user, and they are say that okay, they are would like to repair the device under warranty because the mobile application is just mentioned and show that it is under warranty, they have to just handle it as a manufacturer warranty. So you doesn't need to give the invoice to the distributor if you are just run out of the warranty what the distributor is just offered to you, and you scan the device and you are just have this extended warranty. Under the warranty period of the manufacturer, you can just use your you can just send your device to repair for free. I hope it is just you can understand what is the meaning of it. And the which QR code, that was the same question. Yeah, this is only that QR code which is on the device. So when you are just scanning on the home page the device, you can earn points. And on the same with the same button, if you are just scanning the device, you can extend the warranty as well. I hope I could help in the chat. But you can ask your local sales representative and he can reply you directly. And what else? If you have any questions, you can ask your local offices or you can ask the European Technical Center directly. I hope you know that we have a European Technical Center who is the support center of Dahua. On the contact us page you can find the relevant local email addresses and phone numbers and website addresses. And I have to say I just received the information that many of you are using the website to create tickets in case of technical issues. So you are using this European Technical Center support page. But from now on, you can create support tickets via Partner App very easily. And you can get the push message and the email in case you are just your ticket has been just answered. Therefore, super easy to use it and super easy to chit chat with our colleagues. You can see on the page that if you are just go to the question answer field, you can create your own technical support ticket. You can write down what is your issue. You can submit it, and if you just go back to the question answer field, you can go to my question answers and it will be listed all of your questions. You can see that this is a new topic, and if there is a reply, you can just see that there is a submitted ticket, replied ticket, and a closed ticket. And in case of in the future there will be more and more questions, there will be all your tickets what you can just easily open anytime when you wish. And we are arrived to the fourth question, but before it there is a question in the chat. As a distributor, can I scan the SN of a device and check the expiration date? Yes, if you're a distributor, and this is very important, when you are just registered, I just mentioned that you need to fill which type is your company, and that was the resellers and that was the distributors also. So distributor also have a registered account, and if you are having this account, you can go to the warranty menu and you can easily find when this device warranty will expire. So yes, if somebody is just send the device to you, to the distributor can check in the partner app, and if in the partner app it just say that okay, it's under warranty, you can send it to us in our Dahua RME service, and we will just handle it as a under warranty device. So yeah, you can check the warranty period as a distributor as well. And just came back to the fourth question. I just ask it from you now. How you can get extra warranty? And this is a very short word. And I mentioned before 3 times that I really encourage to use this function. and I'm just waiting for the reply in the comment section. So if you know the answer, just type it into the chat by scanning the serial number of a device. Yeah. The right answer is just arrived. Congratulations. And we can move forward. I have to say there is a bridge among Partner App and the Dahua. So as I mentioned at the beginning of this webinar, you can create your UniPortal account if you register into Partner application. So with it you can log into Dahua, which is a service and maintenance platform. And this platform has an integrated plugin inside this Partner application. So therefore you can open it very easily from here, and you doesn't need to even download the Dahua if you are just open from the Partner application. And here you can manage your sites, you can manage your devices, and there is something else, you can reset your password of the Dahua devices. And that is the point why Dahua local office have to approve every registration manually. So this is not an automatically approval. We are just checking one by one every company, because we have to be sure that only professionals can use the advanced password reset function, and we have to see that who is installer, who is distributor, and who is end user. And this is the point where I would like to thank you everyone for your attentions and for your questions also. I hope I was able to provide useful information, and now many of you know how useful this all-in-one application is. So, as I mentioned at the beginning of this webinar, those who didn't know what a QR code is made for, now you are just learned it, how to deal with it. So now you can scan it very easily on the home page with the scan button. Click to check in and you can earn extra 50 points, and you can be registered as an attendee of this webinar. And I have to say that those who win the right answer, don't forget to send it to the marketing email address, what you can see here on the page. So if you are one of the winners, just send your screenshot about you are the winner of one of the questions, and my marketing colleagues will just reply you as soon as possible. I check if there are something else in the chat section, if any other question, but as I see there is no any additional questions. So I wish all of you a very nice day, and thank you for attending on this webinar. See you guys.